Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a super exciting project for you. So grab your supplies and let's get started. First things first, let's gather our materials. You will need epoxy resin, UV resin, UV lamp, mask, silicone mold, glitters, measuring cup, tweezers, open bezel and findings. Today I'm going to show you how to make Bohemian Resin Earrings. Before that, put on your mask to protect from any potential resin fumes and make sure you're working in a well ventilated area too. Okay, now measure out the resin and hardener in a 2:1 ratio using your measuring scale or a measuring cup, and pour them into a mixing cup and gently stir for about 5 minutes until they are well combined. And be sure not to introduce too many air bubbles while stirring. Okay, now it's time to add a little sparkle. Mix in your juice and glitter to have your earrings that extra pop. And stir gently to distribute them evenly throughout the mixture. And today I'm going to choose light blue and white glitters only. Rather than glitters, you can use pigments or alcohol inks to create stunning color combinations. A little goes a long way, so start with a small amount and mix until you achieve your desired shade. After that, carefully pour the resin mixture into a chosen mold and be creative with your designs. You can layer different colors and different effects for a unique look. If you spot any bubbles, use a heat gun or a torch to remove them. Clean the edges with a cotton bud and let your resin filled molds sit for the recommended curing time specified on your resin kit. This usually takes about 24 hours, so keep them in a dust free and undisturbed area. Once your resin has cured, it's time to demold. Gently flex the mold to release the earring pieces. If there's a bit sticky, it's totally normal. We'll fix that in the next step. Now I'm using UV resin to shine my resin earrings pieces. Cure them under the UV lamp for about 5 minutes. And take out your hand drill or electric drill and drill your resin earring pieces. Now it's time to attach earring studs. Before that, you have to attach eye pin for your resin earrings. And again I'm using UV resin to polish my resin earrings. If you guys don't have any UV resin, don't mind, you can use epoxy resin also. Now take out your open bezel and connect them into your resin earring pieces. Attach earring stud to your resin pieces and make sure they are securely attached, and you're all set. If you guys know how to attach findings, then skip this part. This is my own way of making resin earrings. But be creative, guys. You can also make beautiful earrings than mine too. Remember, resin crafting is all about experimentation. So, don't be afraid to get creative and try new techniques. Look at the stunning resin earrings I have created. Isn't it beautiful? Each piece is a unique work of art that you can proudly wear or gift to someone special. So, thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next day. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye bye.